First time for me using one of these. Got a full charge. Over here is where you hook everything up. Just simply plug it in. Let's go put this on the battery. I could come back or I could start it up. I'm going to let it sit there for a minute. Normally my car will start up. It's got no problems. Here we go. Woo, baby. A little hesitation. Time to take it off. It'll shut off by itself. Guess that's my door ajar. No, actually it's this unit telling you that may need to be a charge or something. Disconnect the cable. Throw a little charge on that bad boy. We're good to go. Put it back in its case. Have a great day.